Hello everyone, today I'm gonna show you another pre-swimsuit, so be ready. Hello, like I said, today I'm gonna show you another pre-swimsuit from bloomingjelly, but before I start, I wanted to wish you all happy Easter. I know the times are bad right now. I hope it will get better. But before that, please stay at home if you can. Be safe. Wash your hands, because well, it's your life and life of your loved ones at stake. Well, that's why I'm staying home. Okay, so back on the topic. I hope these swimsuits will be used soon. For now, it's not looking like that, but let's be more positive, more optimistic. Okay, so about the bloomingjelly, well, I stumbled on that brand by snooping around, the company is from China. It's on the market for 6 years, but looking on their site, the designs of swimsuits and other tops, dresses, etc. I think they have something to show. Well, okay, so for now I've stopped with swimsuits, and I'm gonna show you 2 bikinis and one piece. I hope you will like it, and I'm gonna start with the first one. Okay, so first one is a princess style lace triangle bikini set. What a name. Okay, so the first thing is the differences from the photo. Well, on the photo, a model is just it looks a little bit different from the swimsuit I got. Well, the first thing I've noticed is the lace is a little bit more thick than the one on the photo, or at least it's how I think it looks. Maybe it's different, maybe it's not. Of course, the model have different size, so the top looks a lot different. Well, I don't have that size like her, but it's not so bad either. Well, okay, so another thing, the straps on the top are adjustable. I had to adjust it for my small size, but I don't know if it's fitting me perfectly, because it's could be better. It's not that bad. Okay, and the bottoms, well, are really low bottoms, and you can adjust them like that. Don't fall off, don't fall off, don't fall off, don't fall off. Ta-da! Okay, so this is how it looks. This is the front. The right side. And the back. Okay. It's made from spandex, and that's why, like most of the swimsuits, is okay. Everything is okay, and so it's fitting me really good. I got it for $22, so the price is low for that kind of swimsuits. It's made from 2 layers of material. In few places there can be 3 layers because of the lace. Of course, oh, that's better. And well, palette caps, of course. What can I say? Do you like it? I have mixed feelings, but they are on more positive side. So, okay, I will be back with the second one. So, be right back. Okay, I'm back with the second one, and it's a one-piece. Ha! Okay, so lame. Audrey Hepburn polka dot one-piece swimsuit. You know how you know why it's that name, right? Okay, so I like this one maybe because Audrey Hepburn style. Well, I was in love with that when I was younger. Maybe I will be back with few things for that. Okay, so the differences from the photo, of course, on the model, beautiful. On me, wow. It's the same. I can find any differences. I have no problem putting on. It's quite easy. You can only adjust it here. Everything else must be fitting for your size. It's made from spandex and it cost me only $24, so it's really low price. Polka dots, a lot. Oh, what? Okay, and what? Okay, so this is the front. My right side. And the back. Well, what do you think? This one is faster because, well, I don't have anything to add because I like this one. Okay, so I will back with the third one. Yes, the third one will be 2-piece. Be right back. Okay, I'm back with the third one, and what do you think? The color is black, of course. Well, the thing I think you will notice is something different, right? Okay, so the name. Surf on the beach set. Whoa. Okay, so it's a tamakini. So the top is different. Of course, the buttons are. Yes, it's a thong. Finally. Well, the straps. Are the first thing you will notice. The V-cut, of course, to show something more. Okay, so on the back, you can adjust straps, of course, but the bottom have to be fitting from the size because you can't change it. Okay, so the price, it was only $22. It's made from spandex and polyester. And okay, the difference is from the photo. Other than looking different on someone else, it's pretty much the same. Anything special I've noticed? Well, oh, oh, it's made from only one layer of material, not like the previous one and the first one. This one is from one layer with padded caps, and that's all. Well, other than, you know, the buttons are the part which I like. They are fitting and they look quite good on me. I have some mixed feelings about the top. Maybe because I'm not used to tankinis. Well, it's something I have to wrap my head around. Still. So what do you think? Is it worth it? I think it's quite good. Okay, so that was the last one. I hope you liked today's video. I had to skip last week my video making because I didn't have time. I had to adjust to my homework, work from home, and I know why people don't want to work from home. I can't concentrate on it. I don't have time for anything. It's chaos. So I hope I will be back on track with next videos, and well, like I said, I hope you liked today's video. If so, then thumbs up, comment and subscribe, and see you next time.